heard that band. Can't count the times you've been asked to dance on my two hands. You can't blame me for taking in the view. And before the night slips away, I'm asking you to save that one last two-step, a little 3-minute shuffle for me to have my chance. Yeah, just one shot to hold you, wind you up, turn your world around. Now you might think I'm just dropping lines. A pretty sight like you probably gets this all the time. They try to tune you up and try to take you home, but before you walk out of here alone, just give me that one last two-step, a little 3-minute shuffle for me to have my chance. Yeah, just one shot to hold you, wind you up, turn your world around. Let them drink their booze and scoot their boots to charm you. Baby, I just wanna be the first to have that one last two-step, a little 3-minute shuffle for me to have my chance. Yeah, just one shot to hold you and wind you up, baby, turn your world around. Just like you wound me up and turned my world upside down.
Starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Side, flick, side, hitch. Here you have the optional hand movement. Step right to right, flick left behind, and slap right hand on left heel. Step left to left, hitch right knee, and slap left hand on right knee. Fine, side, behind, side, touch. Section 2. Side, flick, side, hitch. One quarter left turn touch. Side,